Hello, viewers. Another 4 days for the third test at Brisbane Gabba Stadium, one of the best stadiums, what it was said and written, one of the oldest grounds in Australia, known to be a perfect even bounce and proper pitch to play cricket match. That is the first positive point about the next match where we are going to play with the normal ball, that is the red ball. 4 days before, I'm just uploading this video in order to check any changes will be there or any updations will be there. So I will have a ample time, 4 days time to update my comments again, repost any other video also. So please consider it as my first video with respect to third test being played at the Brisbane 14th to 18th at Gabba Stadium. Remind you the match timings they have mentioned in Indian Standard Time is 5:50 a.m. So you need to get up in the morning and to check the toss. Really, if you are loving the test match, means definitely you must get up in order to watch the match. Welcome to my talk, Hyderabad Blues on the cricket analysis. I am Sai Prasad alias Sai Prakash, just bringing the first video with regard to third test after losing the second test pink ball cricket test in Adelaide, equal the series. There should not be any issues. Mentally free, Rohit Sharma. Other day press conference he has attended. He has clarified and accepted the defeat. And Australia also, they have proved why they are superior in the pink ball cricket. So one of my viewers has given a message, the WhatsApp message asking that, sir, how come a team can become so perfect and so confident on one particular thing? Why those confident about the pink ball? 10 matches consecutively they have won, unbeaten. How come it is possible? That is called professionalism, that is called practice. If you ask me, how come those days Pillay used to kick the ball in reverse way into the goal, means that is a practice, that is the accuracy, the interest, and the opportunity, etc. The devotion also is there. So the becoming perfect and be like a professional means practice, practice, practice on a particular talent. Similarly, Australians, they have practiced with the pink ball. They know how to grip the pink ball. They know how it behaves. They know how to use the seam. They know the nature of the pitch, spots, especially where to pitch, at what level the ball will rise. Sometimes without their control, that might go up, but normally they are successful in beating the batsman on the rising deliveries according to the fielding. Also, their bowling, and they got the batters out. Also, that means practice, practice, practice. They do practice with the pink ball and became the professionals. It is not that we cannot become perfect like that. We have to practice at a lower level. We need to introduce pink ball at the nets and see that we must practice accordingly. And after going there also, I don't know how many days they have spent there before the test match and practiced with the pink ball. It's not question of eyesight. anybody can see the ball. Pink ball will appear more clearly with the black thread seam. So there is no doubt about it, and straight screen also accordingly they will maintain. Only thing is they have proved that the practice makes them perfect and they have become unbeaten champions. So no negative thoughts about it. No all over. We said no to pink ball cricket. And next match onwards, if we are not winning the next match means definitely they are superior in the both areas with the pink ball also in normal ball also that will be proved. For that reason, we need to play to the our ability and see that proper score is established on the scoreboard if at all we are going to bat first, and see that we should also prove that even our bowlers can perform on their pitches beyond their imagination. That's what I mean to say. In this contest, I wanted to say something. We don't make any changes or experiments. Total 20 players list they will make. Only Khalil Ahmed was sent back because of some injury. What changes they are going to make for the third test? Maybe Akashdeep might be in, but in which position he will be considered, that we need to see. Whether spinners are there or not in the squad. So how many spinners we can accommodate? Is it must? That also we should plan. But the only thing is we will afraid to do some experiments. That is the problem. When we are not worried about the result, whether winning or losing, better to bring new players, let them get exposed, not giving chance to a new player only after series is over and decided in one favor. Then he will be given a ball to bowl without any challenging target in front of him. If at all, third test, if you are bringing any new bowlers, you will have an idea what they expect out of him to win the match, how to bowl, and how to restrict Australian batters, etc. etc. So we must make changes when need is there. It is not that all the out of all 4 matches are over means the new player will come and he just will participate in the team like any other player. Win or lose, there won't be any difference. Suppose if he is representing the winning side in the mid of the series, because of him any win comes means definitely his confidence level will be high. That's what I mean to say. That means the chances should be given. That's what I mean to say. So now coming back to another thing is the Asia Cup we lost on Sunday with the Bangladesh under 19 team, Indian team. We have lost in Dubai. Almost with 50 runs plus we have lost. We could score only 139 against their total, and 59 runs we have lost. Let us see how many these under 19 players will come out, and the future IPL players, or maybe they will consider into some other format. This is the news with respect to under 19 Indian Asia Cup is concerned. Bangladesh, it seems they have a better place in under 19 level, means the future the Bangladesh team is going to be little bit stronger than now. This shows the under 19 win shows that, because they have won the match, maybe a couple of players will get into main team of Bangladesh, replacing some people who wanted to retire. Definitely Bangladesh team looks better in the future. That is what I mean to say. Now coming back to our current topic of the next match, Gabba Stadium. Stadium is good, 36,000 people it can accommodate. Weather is very good, but humidity level is very high. There are 7 seashores around that ground, that place, Brisbane. Definitely there will be a high level of humidity up to 87% to 89%. That is what worries me. Wind also will be around 15 kilometers per hour. It might be there because of the sea around. Humidity means definitely sweating like atmosphere. You must play, and the very minimum chances of rain. That's what it means to say. Then coming back to other points, the ground is a good ground, ideal for the batting. Ball comes very nicely. The bowler also really the batting is a stroke make player means he can make good strokes, but bounce also not bad. The bowler can definitely do his experiments, proper pitch and ideal pitch for this kind of matches. This is what the ground record says. Now coming back to some other points, I just oldest point of view, 1931 onwards, the stadium is active. First test was played 27th November to 30th, 3rd December, Australia versus South Africa. Then last test was played 25th January, 28th January 2024, Australia versus West Indies. That means you can see the ground how old it is. That is what I meant to say. Now we have 14th to 18th, 5:50 a.m. is the timings, and known for best ground pitch in Australia with the proper bounce. Both batsmen can bowler can enjoy, and batsman can make good strokes. That's what is given. But I just what I'm saying, humidity point of view, we need to check those things. Now coming back to my team, whatever the team I made two teams basically. First team, what I wanted to prefer is Yashasvi Jaiswal, Abhimanyu Ishwaran. I wanted to bring him inside. Subhaman Gill, Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Rishabh Pant or Zurel or Jitesh Sharma, Nitish Kumar Reddy, Jadeja or Washington Sundar, Ravindra Ashwin, Ravichandran Ashwin or Washington. By Washington Sundar I wait twice means any one of them they will be considered. That's the reason Nitish Kumar, Ravindra Jadeja or Washington or Ravichandra Ashwin or Washington. But Washington's place I am making is perfect because whether Ravichandra Ashwin or Jadeja also I can consider. Ashwin's contribution was not much to see, but in this pitch, coming match, I think it will support the second innings. It will definitely support the spin. That's what I meant to say. Now, Jasprit Bumrah, I wanted to give Mohammad Siraj a rest. At least I wanted to see Ash Dayal to be in the squad. Navdeep Saini, Prasidh Krishna, Mukesh, when they are going to give chance, that is the doubt. That's the reason I said you need not wait till the fourth match or fifth match to give chances to these youngsters. They get demoralized, just playing sake of playing. Anyway, they will be paid, that's not a problem. But challenging target should be given to the bowler, then only his skills will develop. He try to go deliver extra pace, learn the process of putting the ball in right areas. Those things are necessary. Anyway, second team also I made. So Jasprit Bumrah, I said Mohammad Siraj, Yash Dayal, Mukesh Kumar, Navdeep Saini, Prasidh Krishna, Harshit Rana. These are the names I am taking. Akash Deep also there. Akash Deep I am expecting. He was bowling nicely. Then Akash Deep also was not considered. I don't know why. Now coming back, this is my first option. Second option, if you see, second team also I made. Every time there is a confusion between the players pick up and all. But this is straightaway method I have taken. Not much changes in the Yashasvi Jaiswal, KL Rahul. In the first list, if you see Abhimanyu Ishwan or KL Rahul, that you have to note down because KL Rahul can be rested for a match, no problem. So Abhimanyu Ishwan or KL Rahul, just I wanted to mention. Now second list, whatever the thing list I made, Yashasvi Jaiswal, KL Rahul, Subhaman Gill, Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma. Let us see how far it is going to be correct. Rohit Sharma and Nitish Kumar Reddy, Jasprit Bumrah, Rishabh Pant, of course, I have taken. Mohammad Siraj, Harshit Rana, Akshadeep Singh. Khalil Ahmed was sent back but because of injury. So Akashdeep I have taken. Khalil Ahmed was sent back. These are the 11 names. Once again I will read. Yashasvi Jaiswal, KL Rahul, Subhaman Gill, Virat Kohli, Rishabh Pant, Rohit Sharma, Nitish Kumar Reddy, Jasprit Bumrah, Mohammad Siraj, Harshit Rana, Akshadeep Singh. These are the names I am taking. They can make any changes, this up to their requirement, but the pitch shows that definitely it will support batters initially and bowlers also. If at all India is winning the toss, better to choose batting. Better choose batting. At least they'll come out of the tension, display your skills with respect to red ball, proper ball. Don't be under impression that they can dominate any game. Because it's a pink ball, then we might have lost the match. We must have failed to establish ourselves as the pink ball cricketers also. But in this match, no issue. Equal opportunity for both the teams. If at all they are going to win the toss, means definitely they go for batting, what I feel. If at all they are going for fielding, means they know about the pitch. It will initially support the batters. They thought that they must be thinking that claiming couple of wickets, 2-3 wickets, top order wickets, definitely they can collapse the down the order. So don't give that impression. That's the reason I want a all-rounder in between, like Jadeja in between, who can steadily play, stop the bowlers who claim the wickets and slow down the game as per the need. See that the proper score is established on the scoreboard. Then only we can play. But Jasprit Bumrah is overplayed. The other day Rohit Sharma was saying Jasprit Bumrah is also getting rest, means definitely other bowlers can get their chance. There is no doubt about it. We should not get fear of giving chances. Jasprit Bumrah can be given the rest, means third match. After third match, again, fourth and fifth, he can definitely represent one match. It deserves a rest. That's what I feel. As Dayal, I wanted to see left arm seam bowler. Across, he can bowl to the Australian batters. Exclusively has become the member of the squad as Dayal, and he is also not getting considered. I don't know why. With this comment, I'll come back again. In the meanwhile, please use my mail ID goodluckprasad@gmail.com. Remember my channel Hyderabad Blues on cricket analysis. Subscribe my channel and share among yourself. Share to your friends, different groups, so that I'll get my questions, I'll get my subscriptions. I can study further and see that the proper analysis can be given. I think I answered my friend about the becoming a perfect about the pink ball. With the Australians are concerned, this is how things will improve. This is how they will get the proficiency. This is how they make practice. This is how they know the spots. This is how they grip the ball, etc. etc. need to be practiced. Thank you so much. I'll come back once again. Bye one and all.